Hi, I am Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about functions, how the functions is working in C programming. Let us start from the definition of function. A program segments that carries out some specific well-defined task is called as a function. So it going to perform a well-defined task within one group of code that will be called as a function. For example, we want to add two number, so the function may be repeated frequently means we can write a code into the particular block of statement. Then the function can be called whenever it is needed. Next, it going to find the largest of n numbers. For example, if you want to find the largest number among three numbers means we have to compare the n1 value with n2 and n3. Likewise, we want to compare, we have to find the largest number among four number means it going to perform the same task. That is, the n1 value will be compared with n2. Again, the n1 value will be compared with n3, and n1 value will be compared with n4. So the process will be like for example, the statement says that the value will be compared with one variable with the another variable, so the functions may be repeated frequently. So and in that time the code will be written in one segment, so the segment is called as a function. So the function will carry out its intended task whenever it is called or invoked. Wherever or whenever the function to be called, that time we can call the function. So in that cases we can call the function multiple times also. If you need one time, we can call as a one time in a particular function. In case if you want to call multiple times, we can call it as it the function through function name. Okay, this is the definition about the function. Let us know the reason for why we have to use a function. So it going to allows one to develop a program in a molecular function. So it going to perform a divide and conquer approach. What does mean by divide and conquer approach is it going to segregate into two concept. So after segregation, that is after dividing, the it going to perform any one of the task it going to perform. So next it going to perform a program from smaller piece or component. So what I told in a divide and conquer method is it going to split out into the two segments. That is, we are going to split out into the small pieces of parts, and then it going to perform a task. So that is the concept of going to perform a smaller pieces of or components. So we can use the existing functions for the given block of program, for block of codes for the new programs. In some cases, we can include the library function to call as a internal details. So every C program consists of one or more functions. So one of these function must be called as a main function. Oh, why it is called as a main function means execution of the program always begin by carrying out the instructions in the main program. Functions can call functions as an instruction. So the function can be called inside the, or it can be called again and again also. In some cases it can be called itself also. So here what it's going to perform is, so void print banner. So here print banner is the function. It going to perform some task. So what is the task it going to perform is it going to print the asterisk value while it is calling. So here what I am going to do is I am going to create a main function int main. In some of the statements I have written. So in that cases print banner. So where the print banner function is present, in that case that time it going to call the function. So in this picture it shows that print banner of function. The function is indicated with the open curly braces and the closed curly braces. It going to call the print banner function. What it do is it going to search whether the print banner function is available or not. It is, if it is available, it going to do the necessary function. It going to it going to call that function and perform the task whatever it holds. So in this cases, it going to it adds two print banner functions. So here the single function. that is print banner function is written only one time, but it is called two times. Through the function name I am calling the function to perform the necessary operations. So in this video we have discussed about what is function, why we are going to use the function in a C programming. Thank you.